Hi guys, welcome. My name is Ashley. Today I'm just sharing how I do the soldering process to make these elegant stained glass earrings. I will link a complete step-by-step video describing how I make the stained glass jewelry from start to finish in the description box below. Alright, so I have my little area set up, ready to solder. I have my long pair of tweezers, a paintbrush, and I went ahead and dipped my paintbrush into that glass flux, and I'm putting it all over that piece of glass that already has the copper foil burnished onto it. Alright, so now I'm adding some tip tinner to my soldering iron's tip. Now I'm adding some lead-free solder. It's very important to only use lead-free solder for stained glass jewelry. I'm gliding the soldering iron onto the copper foiled edges by using quick strokes. I'm using my third hand to help hold the glass stable while smoothing out the solder. I also use long tweezers sometimes to help with this as well. I dip my paintbrush into the glass flux and I paint a fresh coat onto the soldered area. Using my soldering iron, I go ahead and smooth out the lead-free solder. I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other piece, but I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a little bit for you. Using glass flux on the edges and then soldering just like before. Always use caution, and I always use tweezers to help touch the hot glass. I place the open end of the jump ring flush to the glass and join them together by adding a dash of flux and solder to both sides of the glass. I ensure the jump ring is leveled and that the hook is faced the correct way before fluxing and soldering. I decided to keep this part into the video to share that mistakes do happen. Ensure the hook is away from where you are soldering because it can get soldered to the joint area. If this does happen, you will have to melt off the jump ring and start over. I do final touch-ups by smoothing out the imperfected solder areas.